We are doing an epic challenge and putting these cars head to head.
That's right, head to head. So Dan with his JDM import tuner, Subaru Impreza, and me with my Mark IV 1.8 turbo Golf, which has the right amount of doors, looks better, superior in almost every way, I would say.
I disagree.
I thought you might. Anyway, the reason we're doing this is because, quite simply, we love our turbos, and we've each had these for a little while now and decided that we need to come up with a challenge and also set a budget. So the budget is what, Dan?
£2.5 grand a piece.
Right, so we've got to make them the fastest, most fun weapons we can within £2.5 grand budget. It's all we've got to spend now. That includes parts, tuning, mapping, whatever it might be. That's got to fall within the budget at £2,500.
And evidently, tyres. Oh shit.
Yep, tyres are also included. Yours are better than mine, so you're all right.
Brilliant.
So this is where we're going with it, right? We want to put these head to head and have a build off over the next couple of months and effectively see who can come up with the best, most fun, fastest, absolute weapon.
Well, that's
that we
easy.
can.
That's me.
Well, that's not going to happen because that, as nice as they are, heavy old clutch, you need an iron leg to drive them. I mean, it's a fucking estate, for God's sake, come on.
It is, but let's just point out that on the little test run we just did, I whooped your ass.
There may have been a reason for that though, Dan, is because the vacuum line had fallen off my diverter valve.
That sounds like you're blaming things.
I wasn't blaming things, but you saw it with your own eyes. So there we go, folks. What we need to know is what should be the first thing that we do to these cars within the budget. So that's what we want in the comments. First, performance modification we should make.
Don't say scrap it, because I know you will.
Yeah, if you say scrap it, you can sod off. First performance mod we should make within the budget, go. Not worried about wheels or anything like that. That's not a performance mod for now. We're thinking
turbos,
everything under the bonnet. You've got it.
Mapping.
Yeah, this is it. So that's the kind of thing we want to be looking at, right, Dan?
Let's make them insanely powerful. Scary to drive.
Absolutely. And then afterwards, I might even raffle. No, you've got no fucking chance. I'm not raffling my Golf off. I'm keeping it. But that's what we're going to do. So make sure you follow along with the build. There's going to be loads and loads of vlogs and various different episodes coming up on the builds and what we're doing to them and how we're progressing. And also putting your suggestions into force on these vehicles.
So the only question that remains then, are you Team Subaru or are you Team Golf?